Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I'm with David Rosio, the channel sales manager for HP Middle East. And good afternoon, David. How
Thank
are
you.
doing?
Good afternoon. Good. And yourself?
Not bad. David, could you tell us about GTEx a little bit? I mean, is this your first time over here, or have you been at GTEx since?
Personally, I mean.
Personally, yes.
So yes, that's my first time in JTEX for me. But
Okay.
that's the 13th one, I guess, for HP that we are doing here. So I'm probably new, but the HP is not new here
Sure.
in JTEX, with a good experience. So I'm learning as of now.
Awesome. And what do you think of the event itself? I mean, GTEx is pretty huge for UAE, obviously, it's huge.
Yeah.
But what about its impact for HP personally in the whole, Middle East region?
Yeah. So
What do you think
JTEX
about
is a big event, especially for PAG, for Personal System Group of HP. That's a big event where we see a big trend. Obviously, setting up a kind of trend in terms of product on the market, which is good, obviously, for UAE and for the GCC. But this is as well something that we are playing on and that we are developing as well to set, I would say, our lineup, our products for the rest of the Middle East. And this is an important event for us in the year, in terms of business and in terms of trend.
Awesome. And at GITEX this year, what are the new products that HP's launched?
So what we can see on the market as of now is that the trend that we have more and more, globally speaking, is that you have many more devices in your home. More and more people having multiple devices, like a notebook, like a desktop, and these people want to have an experience on this type of products, which are an experience which is not just having the most powerful products or having the best RAM on the products, but it's really an experience on it, having their own data, having their own applications, or having their own way of using it. And what we provided to GITEX is to try to convey this message as well via the products that we launch, to convey this message in terms of experience on the products. And for that we produce and we bring some products around mainly the DV6 on the notebook side, where we try to bring this type of consumer experience. For example, we have some promotions around Beats Audio, where we can provide on the DV6 to give you a special offer on Beats Audio for free if you buy some DV6, some Beats headset actually. So these are good offer and good things that we provide to convey this message in terms of experience with the products. And this is what we launch in GITEX, to clearly convey this message around the experience on the product side.
Brilliant. And David, could you tell us a little bit about in terms of the product lineup you have, where here is used from netbooks to the DV6 to the, to obviously the NV series. What in the Middle East region is the one series that you're seeing that sort of, that you see not only successful but also more room for growth, or in the future you can see potential for it over here?
So actually, the clearly trend that we see here, obviously the Middle East market, it's a market in terms of volume, which is driven from a price perspective. But we see, and as a leader on the market as well, we want to drive this experience around the products, and that's why we are pushing more and more to go for more high-end products that can drive this experience around the products. And we see in terms of growth, in the past quarters, in the past months, we see clearly this trend going to this customer experience around the products, going for more DV6 products, going for this type of experience around our products, and we clearly push this way. And this is something that we see clearly in the Middle East, that we have seen as well in some other regions, but clearly in the Middle East is something which is picking up right now.
Okay. And personally, there's obviously a lot of projects again launched. Personally, what is the one product that you're very excited to see, come to this region?
Okay. So there's some good products that we have launched. Just one that we launched really recently right now at the GITEX, which is one desktop product,
Yes.
which is a gaming one. So it's probably more on the personal level, which is the Phoenix. This is an amazing product. Amazing products in terms of course, powerful, but as well design and what we put in there, just to answer to this type of gamers trend and behavior that we have in some consumers. So I like this one. That's my personal one. Then when you go to another aspect on the notebook side, we have obviously the DV6 Metal, which is clearly one of the main star products for us in GITEX. One of the main star products we want to have as well part of the consumer experience. And one thing which is linked to these products, which is how do you link it which is we have as well some kind of applications unique and specific to HP to bring this experience as well. You have your notebook as DV6 Metal somewhere in your bedroom, you have your Phoenix somewhere in your living room playing on games. If you want to access information to your DV6 Metal, you can use HP Link Up as a software that can link your PC and your notebook to access to the information and even play a video which is on your notebook somewhere to play it on your PC. So these are type of things which are for me exciting around the experience, what you bring between mainly this trend that we see on PC and notebook to link this type of products.
Okay, brilliant. David, thank you so much for joining us, and hope you enjoy the rest of GTEx.
Thank you. You as well. Thank you.